Welcome to the tutorials dedicated to the correct use of TCC scissors, the perfect ally for all hairdressers who want to make a difference. In this video, I want to show you that TCC scissors are, in fact, normal scissors and require nothing more than what all regular scissors need: care, attention, and lots of practice. The only major difference is the result we get by cutting hair with a blade heated through electrical current, and the scientifically proven benefits that heat offers to the hair. TCC scissors are designed for ambidextrous use. The grip is comfortable, and the finger rest is soft, allowing for safe work. The blade length is 6 inches or 15.5 centimeters, 100% made in Solingen with nickel-free stainless steel. The scissors are perfect for clean cutting, perform very well in point cutting, and can easily glide through the hair for thinning and reducing excess weight with the slicing cutting technique. The scissors are completely normal and can also be used for channel cutting to create channels and texture in the hairstyle. So, the scissors are very normal in the sense that they do exactly what normal scissors should do: cut. Of course, when you add heat and a temperature control device to a normal pair of scissors, everything changes. Thank you for your attention. For any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. See you at the next TCC tutorial. Bye.